Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Key, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's great to be here again.
It really is. How are you today, David?
I'm doing great, thank you. I had a delicious and healthy breakfast this morning, so I feel full of energy.
That's good to hear. I had some fruit and yogurt. I'm feeling great, too.
Sounds perfect. So, what's our topic for today?
Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, food.
Food. Everyone loves food.
Yes, but not just any food. Today, we're talking about healthy eating.
Ah, that's a very important topic. Healthy eating helps us feel good and stay strong.
Exactly. And of course, we'll learn some easy English words and phrases to talk about food.
Great. So our listeners can talk about food, meals, and healthy habits in English.
Before we start, we have a small request for everyone listening.
Yes. If you enjoy our podcast, please give us a like and subscribe to English Learning Key.
That's right. And share it with your friends who are learning English, too.
Your support really helps us make more fun lessons like this one.
Okay, now let's start. Let's talk about food.
Let's do it. So, Anna, we eat food every day, but do we always think about what we eat?
Not always. Sometimes I just eat what's easy or fast.
Me too. But healthy eating means thinking a little more about what we choose.
That's true. Healthy food gives our body energy and helps us stay strong.
Exactly. And unhealthy food, well, it can taste good, but too much is not good for us.
Right. So let's start with some easy vocabulary.
Okay? First, let's talk about meals. We usually eat 3 main meals every day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day, right?
Yes, it's the meal we eat in the morning after we wake up.
Lunch is in the middle of the day, usually around noon.
And dinner is the evening meal, often the biggest one for many people.
Easy. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 3 main meals.
Great. Now, let's talk about types of food.
Sure. Let's start with fruits. Fruits are sweet, colorful, and full of vitamins.
Yes, like apples, bananas, oranges, and strawberries.
I love strawberries. What's your favorite fruit, David?
I think I'd say mangoes. They're sweet and juicy.
Nice choice. And what about vegetables?
Vegetables are also very healthy. Examples are carrots, broccoli, spinach, and tomatoes.
Wait, is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
Good question. Technically, a tomato is a fruit, but most people call it a vegetable because we eat it with salads and meals.
That's true. I love tomatoes in my salad.
Fruits and vegetables are both important for a healthy diet.
Yes, they give us vitamins, fiber, and energy.
Now, let's talk about protein.
Protein helps our body build muscles.
Exactly. Foods with protein include meat, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts.
Oh, I eat beans often. They're a great source of protein for vegetarians.
Good point. And finally, we need grains like rice, bread, pasta, and oats.
Right. These give us energy for the day.
So, to sum up, fruits, vegetables, protein, and grains, the 4 main food groups for a balanced meal.
Now let's talk about healthy and unhealthy food. What makes food healthy, David?
Healthy food gives your body what it needs: vitamins, minerals, and energy. It usually comes from natural ingredients.
Like fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins.
Exactly. Unhealthy food, on the other hand, often has too much sugar, salt, or fat.
Like chips, candy, or soda.
Right. These foods taste good, but if we eat them too often, they're not good for our health.
So, healthy food helps us feel strong and energetic, and unhealthy food can make us feel tired.
Perfect summary.
I sometimes eat junk food when I'm busy or tired.
Me too, and that's okay sometimes. The key is balance.
Balance. That's a great word. Not too much, not too little.
Exactly. A balanced diet means eating different kinds of food in the right amounts.
Let's practice how to talk about food in English. For example, I like to eat rice and vegetables. I don't like spicy food. I usually eat fruit for breakfast.
Nice. And you can also say, I'm trying to eat healthy. I want to eat more vegetables. I don't eat meat.
Great examples. You can practice by talking about what you eat every day.
That's right. For example, Anna, what did you eat for breakfast today?
I had yogurt with fruit and a little honey. What about you?
I had eggs and whole grain toast. It was simple and healthy.
Sounds good.
You can also talk about how food makes you feel. For example, I feel tired after eating too much. A healthy lunch helps me work better.
Yes, and here's a useful phrase. I'm hungry.
That's a very common one. Or, I'm full when you've had enough to eat.
Let's share some easy tips for healthy eating.
Great idea. Tip number 1. Eat more fruits and vegetables.
Yes, try to eat different colors: red, green, yellow, orange. That way, you get many different vitamins.
Good tip. Tip number 2. Drink plenty of water.
Oh, yes, water is so important. It keeps you hydrated and helps your body work well.
Exactly. Many people drink soda or sugary drinks instead of water. That's not good for you.
Right. Try to drink water during the day. Carry a bottle with you.
Tip number 3. Don't skip breakfast.
Breakfast gives you energy for the day. Even something small, like fruit or oatmeal, helps you start strong.
Yes, people who eat breakfast usually feel more focused and energetic.
Tip number 4, cook at home.
I love that one. When you cook at home, you can choose healthy ingredients.
Yes, eating out is fun sometimes, but homemade food is usually healthier.
And cheaper. You can prepare meals in advance, cook extra dinner, and eat it for lunch the next day.
Smart idea.
Tip number 5. Avoid too much sugar and salt.
That's hard sometimes, but important. Many snacks and drinks have a lot of sugar.
Yes, you can check food labels to see how much sugar or salt there is.
If you want something sweet, eat fruit instead of candy.
That's a great swap. Let's talk about meal planning. Do you plan your meals, David?
I try to. Planning helps me eat healthier and save time.
Same here. When I plan my meals, I buy the right ingredients and avoid junk food.
That's right. You can make a shopping list before you go to the supermarket.
A shopping list helps you remember what you need, and it helps you avoid buying snacks you don't need.
Exactly. Planning your meals also helps you eat balanced food: some vegetables, some grains, and some protein.
Yes, and you can cook extra portions and store them in the fridge for the next day.
That's smart. Healthy eating is easier when you plan ahead.
Another idea is to set a health goal.
A goal? Like what?
For example, maybe you want to eat more vegetables, or drink more water, or stop drinking soda.
Oh, I like that. My goal could be eat vegetables every day.
Perfect. And you can write your goal on paper or on your fridge to remind yourself.
That's a good trick. It keeps you motivated.
Here's another idea: mindful eating.
Mindful eating? What's that?
It means paying attention when you eat. Eat slowly. Enjoy the taste and texture of your food.
Ah, so don't eat too fast or while looking at your phone.
Exactly. When you eat slowly, you know when you're full and you enjoy your food more.
That's a great habit. I'll try it at my next meal. Okay, let's review what we learned today.
Good idea. Step 1. Learn the main food groups: fruits, vegetables, protein, and grains.
Step 2. Eat a balanced diet, some of each food group every day.
Step 3. Choose healthy habits. Drink water, eat breakfast, and cook at home.
Step 4. Plan your meals and make a shopping list.
Step 5. Set a health goal and try mindful eating.
Perfect. Wonderful vocabulary. You can practice by saying sentences like, I eat fruit for breakfast. I drink water every day. I cook healthy food at home.
Healthy eating isn't about being perfect. It's about small, smart choices every day.
Yes, even small changes make a big difference over time.
Start with one goal: drink more water, eat one more fruit, or cook one meal at home.
You'll feel better and learn great English words along the way.
And remember, everyone, food is more than just fuel. It's part of our culture and happiness.
That's true. Sharing a healthy meal with friends or family is one of the best things in life.
Before we go, we'd love to hear from you.
Yes, leave a comment and tell us what's your favorite healthy food or what's your healthy eating goal.
Writing in English is great practice, and we love reading your messages.
And don't forget, if you liked this episode, please subscribe to English Learning Key and share it with your friends.
Let's help everyone learn English and eat healthy in a fun and easy way.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Thank you, Anna. That was delicious.
It really was. Until next time, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.